welcome to this next practice session. We're going to do Gates of New York City here, the hard one. I'm just going to go straight into it. I've got my normal 3-inch drone here, Pro mode, camera tilt 22-inch, and camera FOV 140 degrees. So let's just go straight into this. We're not going to do the race, we're just doing a practice session. And if you haven't done this session already, then we'll do a whole bunch of laps just to show you how best to cope with this. We do the first one nice and slow. We need to come up through this this gap here, and we need to turn. And then as we get to the top, we want to be leveling off, and then we want to be pushing through, and then just do a quick loop down. Come down here. The trees at the bottom are what we're looking for. We need to do a hard right. Let's come through these posts, and we're going left here, so we want to start banking left. We come to the top of that building, so we need to fly up through the gate there, and then we're going up to the right, the top of the right building here. And this is where you've got to be careful, because we've got another gate just after this. We need to come down. We missed it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Let's start again. Okay, it's a bit difficult to do slowly, so we're just going to have to keep going. All right. I can do it fast, and this is the first time I've done it today, so I literally turned on DRL and pressed record today. So let's just twist around and come through this gap here. Got to make sure you hit that gap and come through here, and then we'll do a hard left. Remember, we're going to go up to the top of the building from here. You can go full throttle. I'm staying off the throttle, and we'll just come through up to the top here, through this gap, and we're going to spin down. And we want to hit this hole. Oh, do it again. But we go to the bottom, and we get a hard right here, and a hard right again, and we've got to come up through this gap, up to the top of the building. And there's another hole here we have to get through. Oh yeah. And then we have to come down here, and we go left, so banking round, come left, through the gaps, underneath the bridge thing, and we're going through the woods, round to the left, to then finish. So let's just start again and try and do this a little bit faster. And the lamppost indicates to go up, straighten up, and then as you get to the top, start straightening off, flip down. We're looking for the trees. That's the trees where we're going. We're banking right, all the way around, try and go sideways, and then we come in left here, bank around, up to the top of the building, through you can do full throttle here, up to the top of the building. Remember, we've got to make a nice clean split, go down, and we want to come, we didn't meet it, it's okay, we're just going to keep going. Go hard right here, we go up through this hole, up to the top of the building again. Remember, we have another gate that we have to come through. We don't want to miss it, and we're coming down here under the road thingy bob, and then a hard left, and it's just one lap, right? So once you get through here, you are finished. Let's start again, and we'll do it again. Remember, we've got this. I want to show you this. This is the lamppost here that we care about, all right? And we come up, straighten up here, try and get the middle. Keep straightening it up, and as you do, push through, spin it round, through the hole, search for the trees when you're dropping down, search for the red, and bank right. And if you can do this sideways, do this sideways, otherwise just flatten out. You go left here, get the corner as tight as possible. We want to get over these trees to get through this here, and we are then going on top of the building, and we want to come down. There we go, we're good, and we slow down. There we go. It's a bit easier sometimes when you're not talking, and then go up here, full throttle, come off, because we want to come through this hole, we don't want to miss it, and down. Remember, we're going left, so we've got to turn left a little bit, throttle on so we can catch the fall, and we can throttle on here, bank left, and then hit the gap here. Right, we'll restart again. Let's do it again, keep going. Looking for the lamppost, we'll boom up here, get a bit faster now, straighten up, flatten off, go through the gap, loop down, looking for the trees. Where's the red? There's the red there. And we're going to go through the gap, go sideways, all the way around, flatten off, and we're going left again, hard left, up over the trees, get to the top of the building, nose down, underneath this, back up again. We want a nice tight cut, go all the way down, get the speed out, through, oh, okay, that's why we practice, and hard right, up through this here, power on. Remember, this is an important here that we get through. We come down, go left, power on again to catch the fall, and then around here through the hole, like that there. Do it again. Right, remember the lamppost here, it's when we get lamppost, we're going to throttle on and go up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up now, and through, flick it round. Look for the trees, that's the trees there, going right, go sideways if you can, otherwise just take this corner, hard left, take it early, over the trees, up to the top of the roof, we'll take this underneath it, and we want a nice clean, we've got there, okay, yeah, and power on, get through this, underneath this bridge, there's two beeps there, let's call it, when you go through the gates, there's 2 gates. You've got to get all the gate markers, get through here, spin all the way down, turn, power on again, underneath the traffic lights, underneath the sign, turn left, get through, and boom, you finished again. Let's start again. See, we're getting faster now. It's like attempt number 6 or something. The lamppost, power up, straighten up, all the way to the top, flatten off, get through the hole, turn, all the way down, search for the trees, see the reds, start banking right, go sideways if you can, down to the bridge or down to the thing, go left, over the trees, then up to the top of the building. We want to go through that one gap, up to the top, we want a nice clean turn here, all the way down, not too fast, power on again, get through the gap, mind the lamppost, power on up to the top of the building. This needs to be a nice clean going through here, otherwise we'll miss it. Remember, we're going left, so start turning left now, power on to take the fall underneath the thing, and then start turning left, and we'll go through, and we've done it there. Let's reset. Remember, the lamppost here is where we're going up, turn, flip it over, go through, turn over, down, search for the trees, search for the red lights, hard right, go sideways, through here, search for the bridge type thing, go here, over the trees, up to the top of the building, full power on, go through here, up to the top, looking for a nice clean turn here, which is not clean there, but we can repeat it. Okay, where are we? Come out, bank right, mind the lamppost, up through here, up to the top of the building, want to get nice clean over. Remember, we're going left here, then we don't crash onto it, start again. Right, so remember, the lamppost is where we're going to be going up. Hit that. Right, we'll do it again. The lamppost is where we're going to go up, power on, up, turn, flatten off, get through the hole, turn, look for the trees, turn, look for the reds, go through the gap, go sideways, all the way down, flatten off, start turning again, over the trees, up onto the top of the building, pitch down to get through this hole, back up again, and we start turning here, and go through the hole. Turn, oh, okay, messed that one up again, no problem. Turn through the red holes, 2 beeps here, beep, underneath the lamppost, all the way up to the top of the building, start turning, yeah, and we come down, turn, we go left, we need to go underneath here, start turning left, through here, and then we're done. Let's do it again. Power on, up over the building, up like this, flatten off, through the gap, turn, look for the trees. Okay, we messed that up, but look for the trees, look for the red, hard right, go sideways underneath this bridge type thing. It's not a bridge, but over the trees, over the building, through the gap, up to the top. We keep power on and we go down and we get through this here. Mind the lamp post. Mind the lamp post up to the top of the building. Pitch forward. Go through the hole. Okay, we're getting a little bit cocky now, so we'll just. Like this, is practice. Go through the hole, turn, try and flatten off, get through the hole, turn over, come down, pull, look for the red, and start turning. Okay, go through the gap, flatten off, full power, come left, over the trees, up to the building, full throttle on, go underneath it, up to the top. Want a nice clean turn here. Nice clean turn. We've got the gap. Put power on. Through the gap. Okay. Through the gaps here. Mind the lamp post. Up through the gap. Power up. Want a nice clean flip here. All the way down. Remember, we're going left. Turn. Catch the full. Underneath the lights. Underneath here. And then hard left. Through. And we've got the finish. There we go. Okay. Final time now. Go through, up, remember flatten off here, and we're pushing through, turn all the way down, look for the trees, look for the reds, and then we're coming through here. Try and go sideways if you can, get power on, hard left here, hard left, remember we're going over the trees, up to the top of the building, through the gap, up and over. We want a nice clean turn here, yes, okay, and then turn again. Okay, we missed it, fair enough. We missed it again. Can't see the building. Which building do we need? There you're there. Okay, fair, fine. Come round there. Come right here. Mind the lamp post. Up through the gap. Up to the top of the building. This is the areas where you can gain the most time. Down here, power on. Turn left. Catch the full. Underneath the lights. Underneath here. And let's just turn. You don't have to power off there, and we're finished. With that said, I hope this has been interesting for you. Yeah, I might make some other videos and actually publish my best time on this. I think my best time is 52 seconds or something at the moment. I will have to have a look. Yeah, anyway, with that said, thanks very much. Ta-ta and goodbye.